16178 Norwegian Viva. Let's see what the room looks like.
Could I help you?
Yes, I would like to come in and see what this room looks
Well,
like.
you come right in. Good morning. It's Boomers on the Go.
And guess what day it is?
It is Cruise Day.
Boomers on the go. Let's go take a cruise. Go on a trip. Boomers on the go. Let's go.
It is Cruise Day. And first time to be on the NCL Viva.
It's the Terminal 16 Norwegian
Yes.
Viva in Galveston. Stay tuned for all new videos about the Viva.
So hit that subscribe button and like button. You can see I'm very excited. All right, Boomers on the Go. Let's go.
Here we are going to 16178 on the Norwegian Viva.
Yes, we go.
Here we go. We already have our room keys because they give them to you as you check in the terminal. It smells so good. So cool. 16176, we're the next room.
Boomers on the go. Let's go.
16178.
Let the gray
Let's see what's on here.
Let's go.
Oh, makeup room, do not disturb, at home.
We're at home.
Key card's already in there to keep the air going. There's the light switch, and I guess a thermostat.
Right.
Yeah, and right now it's very cool in here, so I think we're good.
Yeah. Looks nice too.
Little peephole on the door.
This must be a little closet.
It is a closet.
With the pull-out drawers,
Yes.
which are good for socks and swimsuits. This is-
Drop down shelf.
shelf.
Lots of hangers, which we'll need all of those. Oh, looky here.
You got a full-time.
I would call this a mudroom. Here's a mudroom. When you walk in the door, you can drop your bags or drop your shoes right here.
Yeah.
It's open, and you can hang things. Yep. And then this has another side to it, a full-length mirror here, where Mr. Boomer is standing so he can see himself.
Yes. Here. Another side. The safe.
Oh, the safe, racks,
that's
nice
three
closet
closets.
space.
3 closet spaces.
Let's look at the bathroom.
Yeah.
Watch your step. Well, there's some nice hooks on the wall
4
there
hooks right
for
here.
bags.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Boomers on
This
the
is a little bigger than the Jubilee.
Let's go take a cruise.
Boop.
Go on a
It
trip.
definitely is.
Is the shower bigger? It looks bigger. It's
Sink
nice.
is nice. Oh my goodness. Shelving underneath.
Jamaica.
Looks really nice. And the shower does look bigger
It
than the
does.
Jubilee.
Paris.
We're
I like the
custom-
colors. I like the light blue and beige tones, whites.
On the go. Let's
Necessary room.
No
We all know what we do in the necessary room. Do we need to talk about it?
No.
Let's
No.
go.
Nice glass door shower, as you can see. Adjustable, handheld shower head. We've got side body wash. Let's see. Body wash and shampoo, conditioning shampoo. So it's got the conditioner already in it.
Go. Let's go.
Grab bars,
Time to rest.
soap
let the gray
rack,
hair
body wash rack,
Let's go.
little railing, and there's your laundry hanger. What do you call that? Oh, clothesline. We haven't used one of those in a long time, but on cruises sometimes we do to let our swimsuits dry out. Very nice. Step down. To the left is a, let's see what's in here, cooler maybe? Yeah, the cooler for the drinks. Little shelves on the side with some cups. It's stocked, but we don't want to pay for this, so we'll have them remove that.
Right.
We do have a drink package, so we can bring drinks back to the room and fill it up ourselves, right?
Yes, there we can. Unlimited drink package.
There's a sofa, which might be a twin or a full bed. I'm not sure. We'll have to figure that out and let you know.
More of a twin.
I like the mural. Nice. Brings nice color in here. Nightstand with a lamp with USB. And I believe USB PC also. 2 drawers.
You missed the room service book over here.
Room service book.
Yeah, you know, I'll be using that for breakfast.
Room service. Welcome aboard. There's your telephone, your lights, 2 outlets. I don't see USBs over here, do you?
No, they're not here.
Oh, here they are, maybe. The European plug. So we'll make these plugs work. Pull out drawer, just one, whereas the Jubilee has a whole deck of drawers. Remember that?
Yes.
Well, I would remember it because I use them. So I do miss that about the Jubilee. This turns on. Here, let's see what the room looks like.
Carpet looks really nice.
And everything looks nice and fresh and ready for us. Oh, nice color palette. Oh, very soothing, actually.
Yes. Really is
Look
nice.
at that. Yes. Light blue and beige. Nice carpeting. Everything smells so clean.
Really nice.
Let's go.
Boop, let's open that. Oh, it's not extended balcony, but it's adequate. Each side of the bed has lamps, not lamps. Let's see, and I do see a USB on either side. Maybe a USB-C as well. So that's great. Right there. How about that? And a full nightstand with drawers. Looks like a pull-out sofa. There's a hair dryer under the desk.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a nice little makeup mirror or work desk, whatever you might need it for. And a little stool there, which there's a hair dryer, but it is not like on the Jubilee where it opens up and you have extra storage. It's just a little ottoman type thing. Then a nice king size bed, or maybe almost king size. And like I said, nightstand on either side. Well, let's see here. No, he doesn't have drawers on his side, but he does have the lamp with the USB.
Oh, it does have a USB.
Yeah,
How about an
but no outlet.
No outlet at all.
No outlet. The TV, and our steward's name is Arnold, and he put his extension there on the screen, so we need to make note of that. So if we need anything, we just let him know. And I think we probably need to ask for an ice bucket right away, and maybe 2 extra pillows, which we normally do, and another blanket, because I usually have a tendency to get cold. And now we're going to go out on the balcony.
Australia, bucket list. Rumors on the go. Let's go. No time to rest. Don't let the gray hair.
It's a beautiful day here in Galveston. It's a little cool actually, but it's very nice. Very nice day. There's the Jubilee. Hi, Jubilee. We love you. We'll be on her next month. And we'll say hi to all the crew member that we know and love over there. It has 2 nice cushioned chairs.
Let's go. No time.
And a side table.
I just met Arnold, our room steward. Nice young man. And he's going to be taking care of us. And he'll bring us 2 extra pillows and a blanket for my wife and an ice bucket.
Perfect. Okay. So nice, quiet so far. Very quiet room. We got on board at 11 a.m.
Yes.
Our boarding time was actually
10:30.
10:30. We're already in our room. Our boarding time was 10:30. We kind of went to indulge food hall and local and walked around the ship just a little bit because they don't like you to come to your rooms until
After 2 o'clock.
But we got in a little early. Anyway, we opened the door and it was ready, so
Yes.
we came on in. And so, little room tour that we just did. Now we're going to unpack and we're going to the Japanese restaurant tonight.
Yes, we are. And I'll
So-
tell you all the results of all the food and
Yep.
my opinion of what everything
And we're
tastes.
learning all about the Vivas, so bear with us as we learn and take you with us on our journey. Stay
that-
tuned.
Hit that subscribe button and like. We are Boomers on the Go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hasuki. Beautiful.
Beautiful. We're having dinner tonight.
Guess we should have wore our blue tonight.
It's very pretty.
Very pretty. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stations that I see right here. Maybe more than that.
Looks like 9 station.
Yeah.
Hawaii.
It's nice in here.
Hasuki.
Hasuki.
It's part of the specialty dining.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Hi. Specialty dining. I think it's an upcharge of $60 if you didn't have the specialty dining
Right.
package. It's $60 per person.
Yes, it is.
Hibachi style
Batista will be having us entertain his chef here in just a moment, I hope.
at Hasuki on deck 7.
7 aft.
Aft.
Yes. Numbers on the go.
Our table's starting to fill up.
Yes, it is.
Happy birthday, dear Jane. Happy birthday.
Very nice.
Thank all of you.
Nice.
Yeah, looks like I got a good cake.
Yeah, you did. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again.
That was loud.
That was loud and good.
What you got there?
I had got a special birthday cake they made me, strawberry in it, and kind of tastes
Looks
like,
like a vanilla cream cake,
yes, yeah, an Italian cream cake, right?
maybe.
Maybe that's it,
And I've got the green tea cake.
but I'm so full.
Green tea cake with vanilla ice cream. Very good.
Keep following us.
Green tea cake with vanilla ice cream. Looks delicious. You've got 2 desserts. It's white night.
Yes, it is. White night.